Hi guys, Eric here from Milozo. Today we're going to have a look at a strap from the Strap Tailor. The Strap Tailor is a small company based in London ran by David that specializes in handmade straps. If you want to learn more about the company and its founder David, I recommend checking out my interview on my blog. The link will be down in the description below. Quick backstory. I needed a new strap for my Kurano Tokyo Toki as the default strap is not good enough. After checking various strap sellers, I decided to try something new after seeing his work on Instagram. David is very responsive in the emails and provided me with some materials and colors that fit my Toki. I ended up with his recommendation of a gray strap with Epsom leather. The strap arrived packaged in a string and washer envelope and has a simple design and construction. It also has a color palette of black and gold that adds a luxury feel. The price for his strap starts at $153 for suede to as high as $340 for leathers made to specific watches. In my case, mine was around $161 excluding shipping. I opted for the most affordable delivery and still arrived in Australia quite relatively quick. For those who are unaware, the leather Epsom is leather used by Hermes. It's a popular cross-hatch stamped green leather that is lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. Stamped grain means that the pattern is not natural to its leather, but embossed. One benefit of this leather is that it's more scratch resistant, making it better for everyday use. The strap is saddle stitched and quite well done. The stitching is one of the better ones I've seen, and the price reflects it. I don't see any wonky stitching, which is a good sign. The strap comes with a quick release spring bar. The pin opening has adequate space, and the pin is protruding enough that customers with bigger fingers shouldn't have difficulty pulling it. There should also be no difficulty with the installation. Strap keepers are well sized and sturdy. It's not so big that it can overpower the strap, but is sized perfectly for the strap dimensions to maintain its elegance. Edge painting is painted and sanded relatively evenly. I find that compared to other straps I have purchased over the years, this is well done. I would rank it as one of the nicer ones I have in my strap collection. David offers to engrave on the leather. However, this service is provided if the customer requests it. He would usually use a heat stamp, but letters had to be individually stamped this time due to technical difficulties. The good news is that he will soon have the capability for laser engraving, so what you see here will be superseded down the line. Though the strap is excellent, there are a couple of things that could be improved. First, the buckle hook doesn't sit flush on the buckle. It's a tad too long for the buckle that it extends past the dent. Also, unless my eyesight is tricking me, it's not brushed the same way as the buckle and looks more on the polished side. The second issue is not an issue per se, but will depend on your level of tolerance. The alignment of the buckle holes is a tad off-centered. This issue is prevalent in the handmade world that one will be hard-pressed to find a perfect one. In my case, it may only be a few degrees off that, in my opinion, can already be considered excellent in the industry. Overall, I'm very pleased with the strap. The service and quality David offers is some of the better ones I've experienced. Will I recommend him to my friends? That's an easy yes. I can't wait for the laser engraver to arrive, and that should give me another reason to try his other products in the future.